Number 1. The 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396, priced at $62,000. Located in Atlanta, Georgia, this classic American muscle car is a gem for collectors and enthusiasts alike. The SS stands for Super Sport, marking it as a high-performance model, while the 396 cubic inch engine is the factory-installed big block that's highly sought after. The car is a head-turner with its clean white exterior and is in great working condition. It boasts several recent upgrades, including new headers, valve cover gaskets, wires, spark plugs, and a brand new battery. The Chevelle has a clean title, ensuring no legal or accident issues, and it runs and drives beautifully. The seller is open to trade offers for both modern and classic vehicles, so don't hesitate to reach out if you have something interesting in mind. If you're in the market for a true piece of American automotive history, this Chevelle SS 396 is ready for its next adventure. Click the link in the video description for more details or to make an offer. Number 2. The 1970 Pontiac GTO, priced at $48,000. Located in Canton, Georgia, this iconic muscle car is a collector's dream, boasting a real 242 VIN that confirms its authenticity as a true GTO, not a replica. The exterior sports a stunning orange paint job that's sure to turn heads. Under the hood, you'll find a newly rebuilt 455 cubic inch engine equipped with a large camshaft for serious power and performance. The 4-speed Hurst shifter adds to the thrill, making it a perfect choice for manual transmission enthusiasts. The car is in impeccable shape, having undergone a full restoration with fewer than 100 miles driven since. It's absolutely solid with no rust, a rarity for classic cars. As a bonus, it comes with 2 sets of wheels, flashy chrome mags and original Rally 2 wheels, offering versatility for style or authenticity. This 2-door coupe is available for cash sale only, no trades or financing. Number 3. The 1967 Ford Mustang, priced at $15,000. Located in Deatsville, Alabama, this classic coupe has been thoughtfully upgraded from its original T-code inline 6 engine to a 5.0, 302 cubic inch V8 from an '87 Mustang, paired with the original 3-speed top-loader transmission. It runs great with new auxiliary components under the hood, a new clutch, and linkage. While the current Holley carburetor is being swapped for an Edelbrock, the car is ready to cruise. The exterior rates a 5 out of 10, no major rust and previously restored floor pans. Some minor rust underneath at the back, but nothing severe. The interior is in solid shape, scoring 7.5 out of 10, with only minor imperfections like the need for a new radio bezel and radio. This Mustang will need new weather stripping and still has the original 7 1/4 inch rear axle and 4-lug drum brakes. While it's not set up for racing, it drives and stops well for regular cruising. A great opportunity for someone looking for a well-loved and running classic with room for further customization. Number 4. The 1965 Ford Mustang, priced at $31,900. Located in Deltona, Florida, this classic beauty is actually a 1964.5 model, manufactured in March of 1964, making it a true collector's gem. With only 59,000 miles on the odometer, it's in great shape for its age. The exterior shines in a striking red, while the interior boasts a clean and well-maintained white finish. The car is a convertible, offering the perfect experience for enjoying the open road. Under the hood, it features a V8 260 engine paired with an automatic transmission, along with power steering for easier handling. The car has also been upgraded with 4-wheel power assist disc brakes, enhancing its braking performance. The new convertible top is in excellent condition, adding to the car's appeal. With its authenticity confirmed by the door tag, this Mustang is ready to turn heads and hold value for any true classic car enthusiast. Number 5. The 1972 Chevrolet El Camino, priced at $16,500. Located in McCalla, Alabama, looking for a dependable head-turning classic? This El Camino boasts a solid 350 cubic inch engine paired with a rebuilt turbo 400 transmission ensuring smooth and reliable performance. Features include power steering for effortless handling, power disc brakes for confident stopping, and a dual exhaust system that delivers the iconic muscle car growl. Inside, you'll find sporty bucket seats and a center console for maximum comfort and style. This beauty isn't just for show. It's been driven daily by the current owner and even tackled the Hot Rod Magazine Power Tour 2 years in a row. It recently completed a 6-hour road trip without a hitch, proving its road-ready dependability. While not flawless, its very good condition speaks volumes about its care and maintenance over the years. It's insured, registered, and ready for a new home. Sold with a bill of sale, as Alabama doesn't issue titles for vehicles older than 35 years. Don't miss your chance to own this classic piece of American muscle. Number 6. The 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle, priced at $24,000. Located in Ada, Ohio, this classic American muscle car is equipped with a 350 LT1 fuel-injected engine, offering plenty of power and efficiency. It also features a 4L60 automatic transmission, known for its reliability and smooth shifts. The car comes with a posy rear end for improved traction and handling, making it perfect for performance driving. With 4-wheel power disc brakes and power steering, you'll enjoy a smooth and easy drive, whether on city streets or open highways. The seller assures that the car runs and drives great, so you can jump in and go anywhere with confidence. The Chevelle is ready for both daily driving and long road trips. Additionally, the owner is open to trade offers, specifically for older GM vehicles. Number 7. The 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger, priced at $27,500. Located in Wichita Falls, Texas, this car has undergone a complete frame-off nut and bolt restoration, meaning it was taken apart and meticulously rebuilt from the ground up. Originally, it came with a 318 cubic inch engine, but it has been upgraded to a 340 cubic inch engine with a light cam for better performance. The car features an automatic transmission, power steering, front disc brakes, and a dual exhaust system, all enhancing the driving experience. The exterior boasts show-quality paint, a stripe package, and a dual scoop hood for that sporty, aggressive look. It rides on steel rally wheels with caps. Inside, the car retains a period-correct front bench seat, a column shifter, and even an old-school 8-track player. The underside of the car is as clean and well-maintained as the top, showing how well this Dodge Dart has been cared for. Number 8. The 1962 Ford Falcon, priced at $20,000. Located in Eutawville, South Carolina, this classic Ford Falcon has approximately 90,000 miles on the odometer, making it a well-preserved gem. It features a powerful 289 V8 roller motor, providing enhanced performance and reliability, paired with a brand-new Holley 750 carburetor for smooth fuel intake. The car has also been upgraded with a new 5-speed manual transmission from Modern Driveline for better control and driving experience. For improved traction, it has a new third member with a 3.50 positive traction setup and a Ford 9-inch rear axle for durability. The SpinTech exhaust system gives the car a distinctive sound while boosting performance. Safety-wise, it's equipped with modern 3-point seatbelts and front disc brakes for better stopping power. Additionally, the car has been upgraded to a 5-lug wheel pattern, offering more options for performance wheels. Don't miss the chance to own this well-maintained and upgraded classic. Number 9. The 1966 Cadillac Deville, priced at $8,000. Located in Thomasville, North Carolina, this classic 2-door convertible is in decent shape but needs some TLC. The car runs and drives, though it requires repairs. The carburetor is not functioning properly and should be rebuilt or replaced. It also needs a new alternator, and there's an exhaust leak to fix. The power windows are not working, possibly due to issues with the wiring or motors. There's a small gas leak at the rear, which should be addressed for safety. The interior is generally in good condition but shows some signs of wear. The convertible top works perfectly, with no tears, and the roof mechanism is in great shape. The body has some rust, with a few bubbles in different spots, but it's not in terrible shape overall. The trunk key is missing, so you won't be able to access the trunk without unlocking it. The seller is open to offers, but is not looking for trades. Number 10. The 1964 Chevrolet Nova Base, priced at $5,500. Located in Elizabethton, Tennessee, this classic four-door sedan comes with a four-cylinder engine, 153 cubic inches, one of only 1,123 models made in 1964. It features a 2-speed Power Glide automatic transmission and has been well maintained with recent upgrades, including new tires, battery, and general maintenance parts like belts, hoses, and filters. The car runs and drives well, making it an excellent choice for a family car or cruiser. It's in good condition and can also be used as a hot rod if desired. The flat blue paint with a white top gives it a vintage charm, while the original Sherwood Chevrolet badge on the rear deck lid adds to its authenticity. Included in the sale are extra parts such as spare doors, rear back glass, a rear differential, a front clip, and miscellaneous chrome pieces. The back seat is also included but is in rough condition. The seller is open to offers, though no trades are accepted.